Sweater was what goes around comes around. The jeans were from Zara, $20. Just a white simple t-shirt for like $15. Actually, socks, it's Puma by Rihanna.
So that's expensive.
So they're like $40. Yeah.
Your socks are more expensive than anything else
my
that you wear.
entire outfit.
All Saints, how much?
$400.
$400.
I mean,
You splurged on the boots. You just had to have them because
I have to have good
they're gonna
shoes
last forever.
and a good purses. That's what
Let's see your
matters.
It's Chanel.
Chanel.
So how much is that? The classic Chanel
Classic Chanel, it's probably 3,000 euros.
Jesus Christ, you didn't pay 3,000 euros for that.
I did.
You nutcase. You could have gotten that at Canal Street for 30.
I mean...
You want the real thing.
Yes, I want the real thing. Because I'm real.